welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna play some Roblox Ragdoll something. Ragdoll Engineer. And I can't move my Facecam. I'm gonna close the chat. Or type something in the chat. And go back on my because I have two controllers. Hey! So you guys can see it. And I'm gonna check the same thing in the chat. Sorry. I'm sorry guys. Sorry my Facecam looks like this. All around the time. I don't know what that even was. It tagged out on the other screen. What? I've launched on a different. Alright guys, I'm finally back. I just went to math. Nothing to do. Oh, I'm glad you're gonna choose Starboy. Yes, Starboy. Oh. Thank you. Why would not is? Humble class. I can't sing that song because it's actually copyrighted. And for a fact, I'm gonna move my Facecam over here so you guys can see my face. And I hope you guys have a good day. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and drop a like on this video.